Welcome to Daily Motivation and Inspiration with Dan, where I simplify life and business and help you become your highest and best self. Have you thought about where your energy comes from? Have you thought about how you can keep your energy high? Do you get up in the morning with lots of energy, lots of excitement for the day, lots of, passion and purpose for your day? Most of us don't. And here's the reason being. If you think about it for a moment, you're getting up and whatever's been going on the day before or the week before, the months before, that's what's going through your mind, and that's how your day is going to go. Reflect on this for a moment. When you were young and you had a field trip, like a school field trip, you woke up in the morning and you were excited for the day because it was unpredictable. You haven't been to this place before. It's a field trip, it's a new experience, so it's exciting. It's invigorating. And you got up before anybody else in the house and you were ready to go. Why? Because it's not predictable. But everything that's going on in your life right now is predictable because you're reflecting on what you know, your experiences. And when you get up in the morning, you're like, more of that. Not too exciting. More of the same stuff that happened the days before, yesterday, last week, month before, more of the same, right? Nothing exciting. So the key here is that you can make it exciting. You can make your life less predictable. You can choose what you want to go on. Because what's happening here is we have a huge hard drive in our mind that's storing all this information and it's running the show. It has no sense of direction, but it's running the show because it's based on memories, past experiences. But you can get up in the morning, get up early if you like to. I love getting up early and doing some practice, thinking about the things that I want, focusing on the day, thinking about the possibilities, the opportunities that are coming my way. You can do that, and you can take hold of your day and your energy. Because if you don't, guess what? It's going to be a replay. It's going to be a replay of all the stuff that you did yesterday, the day before. Because we are about, let's say, 70,000 thoughts per day. We have about 70,000 thoughts per day. They're pretty much the same as yesterday. It's all habit-based. Everything that you do is repeated over and over and over again, and it's the same stuff. That's the problem. You need to make your life less predictable. You need to unpredict your day by setting intentions. So here's what you can do. Simple practice is have intentions for the day. If you like writing, best time is to write your intentions for tomorrow, tonight. And then you get up in the morning, you review them, you see what your intentions are, what you want to happen, and you predict what you want to happen. Whether it can happen or not, don't question it. Just predict what's going to happen. And at the end of each day, you can ask yourself and journal if you like to write, what happened today? What happened that brought these predictions to life? Because you can do that. You have that kind of power. I've been doing this for months, and you can do it too. And when you start to do that, your life becomes less predictable, and then you start to see things show up, the right people show up, the best opportunities, and best opportunities for appreciation show up. And then you start living a different life. Then you have more energy. Then you can get out of bed. It doesn't have to be mind over mattress, right? You get out of bed. Why? Because you're excited for the day. You're excited for what's to come, and you are motivated. Then you have total power over your life and your energy, and you start to see things differently. If you like this video, let me know. If this annoyed you, let me know as well. If you're not watching this on my YouTube channel, hop over there and you'll see other videos that will help you become your highest and best self. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.